Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Photos on the web or the app, then sign in with the account that owns the images. Once done, verify backup and sync if you expect device copies, because restoring depends on account sync. Now tap or click the library area. That moves you from browsing to management. Make sure you're not in an archive folder versus the mainstream. That difference explains why items might not appear in the bin. Once in library, scroll to find bin or trash and open it. This is where deleted items sit for 60 days, so act quickly. You can long press on mobile or click the checkmark on web to select single or multiple items, which lets you batch restore or permanently delete. If you need context, open an item to view its details. That helps decide whether to restore. Make sure to use the search and filters if you have many deleted items. You can now restore selected photos back to your library. Choose Restore, and they reappear in albums and search. If you need space, choose Delete Forever to clear them. Remember, this is irreversible. Empty bin clears all at once, which affects storage quotas. If items don't show up in bin, make sure you're in the same Google account, check archive, it won't be in bin, and verify app permissions. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh sync state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.